In this video, we'll go over an example workflow from the point of view of a Shopify store owner. After a customer submits a return, you'll see it listed here on the dashboard. Returns are listed in the order that they've been submitted by the customer, but you can also click on the column headings to sort by, say, status or order number. Once you've received a return, you can mark it as received, and since we had a message associated with it, your customer can get an email letting them know that the return is now in the queue. So let's say we've looked through all the items that have arrived at the warehouse. We can take the RMA forms from their boxes and start the refund process. Let's sort the items by status so we can group all the received items together. In order to refund your customer, just click on the order number and process the refund as you normally would through Shopify. If you want to make some modifications to a return, you can search for it using an order number, RMA, or tracking number, and click on the RMA number and you'll be brought to a return log. You'll have basic information about the order here. Below that is an activity log showing the different statuses this return has been through. You can also add comments here to help you remember why you might have performed a specific action. If your customer made a mistake, like submitting the wrong product or changing their mind, you can always cancel their return using this button here. You can also void the shipping label and get a refund on the labeled charges. If the customer accidentally deleted their email that contained their shipping label and RMA form, you can always click the resend to customer button and a duplicate copy will be emailed to them. You can also make edits to the return, such as changing the return's reason and return type here. Once you finish processing the return, you can update the status to indicate that it's complete. In this case, we've set the status to refunded. And in order to keep the list clean, we'll hit this send to archive button and remove it from the active returns list. You can always access the archive returns in the archive tab here. You can also create returns manually using this create button. This is useful if you process returns over the phone or if the item is past the return period and you want to make an exception for your customer. Returns using this create button overwrite the normal return policies. You can also use this method if you want to approve all your returns instead of automatically printing out labels. And we hit the submit button and a set of instructions, RMA form, and prepaid shipping label will be emailed to your customer. And that's all there is to it. If you have any comments or questions or suggestions for the app, you can always email us. I'm at Anthony@automatedrmas.com. Thanks.